Sweet. Question number 22 is a long line. This one they automatically gave you, okay? We talked about when you make it, it's a rise over run. It is a 90-degree triangle. Gonna make sure I get this covered. Go to here, go to here. Now, when you make your triangle, it has to have a 90-degree box in the corner right here. That's gonna solve for C. That's what you're trying to do. Now, here, 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 on this side. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side. Now, don't overthink this. We are going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 3 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 64 equals c squared. If I make a mistake, you guys got to make sure you help us out here. What's 9 plus 64? Next. 70. 71? 70 what? Oh, perfect. I thought I said 72. I was going to say, man, what? No. Now, who can rise around and tell me what's the square root of, square root this to get it down to C. What's the square root of 73 rounded to the 10th place? Rounded to the 10th place. Jay. You're awesome. 8.5 is working on that. Now, just because, you know, we run a high budget operation here and you want to be able to graph, we'll take the next one in line and we'll go do question 23. But let's go graph it on here. 2, negative 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, negative 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will ask you a boatload of questions in a second because I got to get you guys thinking. Okay, when you make this one, your triangle, you're going to do the rise over run, straight down. Go down as far as you need to go. You can color it in. You can connect it. Now it's counting activity again. This is C. I should end up with, how many across the bottom? How many across the bottom? Maya. Thank you. Who can tell me how many are going on B, going up and down? Nick. You sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're right. So now, I fill in my work. A is always, which one's A? You can raise your hand and tell me. Educate all those people that are studying for the test. Maya, A will always be which side? No! A should always be the little one, shortest. Awesome. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, it's just a matter of plunking in your Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 9 squared equals C squared. 25 plus 81 equals C squared. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I want the video to be short enough so it downloads. What's 25 plus 81? Oh, quiet you guys are. Olivia! 106 equals C squared. Square root it, square root it. Now, you're allowed to use your calculator. Highly encouraged to use your calculator. Square root of 106. Who's got it? Krista. 10 point what? 10.2? Let's take a look. Well, here's the deal. We got to make sure we're rounding them correctly. What's on your calculator screen? Shabri, what's on your calculator screen? Perfect. If it's 10.29, round it to 10.3. Awesome. I'm going to keep rolling here. I'm on question 24. We got people coming in and out. This is awesome. We're like working like crazy. I like it. 24. I'm going to graph it. 1, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Negative 5, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1. Okay, connect it. This is just a little one. Numbers are smaller, will be easier. A side's 2, B side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? There's nothing wrong with putting little hash marks on there. Show your work. So I'm going to show my work on this one so I can do the other one. Same thing. 2 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. 2 squared, 2 times 2, 4. 6 times 6, 36. What's 4 plus 36? Not too hard. 4 plus... Ellie! 40. C squared. Now, Ellie, can you teach everybody what do you got to do to C squared to make it down to C?
Square root.
Square root. You got it. Woo! Now, who can tell me the square root of 40? Who can tell me the square root of 40? Maya. 6.3. And make sure you go to the 100th place to round to the 10th place. And last but not least, we can make it on here because now I want to slow down. When I graph, if the first number is positive for x, who can tell me what direction I go on my graph? If the first number is positive, like this is 2, this is 3, do I go left, right, up, or down? Jade? Go to the right. If the first number is negative, go to the left. If the second number is positive, I go up. If the second number is negative, I go down. You guys sound so smart on here. It's unbelievable. Now, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I got 1 over 1, down negative 2. 1, 2. Ooh, those are close. Now, 3. 1, 2, 3, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is 1, down negative 2. So, I'm going to connect this. I'm thinking most people connect these two here. You could go to the triangle on the left too. Wouldn't matter. I got a 2 on this side and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. Now, is that exactly the picture used, or did you guys color in this one up here? How many people color the triangle on the top? When I say top, I'm saying right here. Yeah. And it totally will give me the same exact positive answer. It makes no difference. 2 squared plus 6 squared equals... Now, are we getting the same answer on this one? 1, 2, 3. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is over 1 down to negative 2. Yeah. When I connect it, I should be getting...
Isn't it up by 7?
I don't know. Something isn't right on here, so you guys got to help me out. Okay. Scrap.
It's up by 7.
Let's go. Let's just make sure that we're graphing it correctly, because that ain't looking right to me.
7.
Well, right here, I'm supposed to go 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. 1, negative 2. Down to negative 2.
What's up, Jordan? What's up?
Now, if I take a look, what's wrong with... Are we graphing this wrong, or are we going to get the same answer as one earlier? Take a look at your picture. Is my picture for 3, 5, and 1, negative 2 the same as yours?
Yeah, it's going up by 7.
So, when we count this, let's use this one. Maybe this one will count easier.
That's what I did.
Yeah, I missed it by counting right here.
Is this the highlighter?
Yeah, sweet, thank you. So now, yes, it's my over 40, almost 50-year-old eyes that are faulting me. I missed counting one block right there because my point is too small. So you guys got the huge advantage that you have really clear eyes. So now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll make all the difference in the world. I go 2 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. 4 plus 49 equals c squared. Now let's finally end this question. How do I get the square root of 53? What are you guys getting? Oh, I heard somebody say it. Raise your hand. Sage. Sage got it. Sage, what do you get? No. Kameen's going to help you out. Kameen, what do you get? 7 point what though? 7.3. I couldn't have